Recycling plastic waste is challenging, especially when it's mixed with food or other materials. To solve this problem, we have introduced the Amey Engineers Depackager Machine, designed to separate plastic packaging from its contents quickly and efficiently. This machine is perfect for plastic pouches filled with biscuits, expired snacks, food waste, or liquids, cleanly extracting the organic material while isolating the plastic for easier recycling. Expired biscuits or snacks can be safely destroyed, ensuring the plastic packaging is separated and ready for efficient recycling. It works across various industries, food processing, supermarkets, and restaurants, turning waste streams into valuable, recyclable products. By separating the packaging, the depackager machine ensures that plastic can be shredded and recycled more efficiently, reducing landfill waste and environmental pollution. Learn more here.